Hey lovely gang, today is Vlogmas Day 1 and I am super excited because today is Sunday. I love Sundays. Sundays is my favorite day of the week. This is the time where we reset, relax, recharge, and we just set the tone for the rest of the week. So I take Sundays really serious. I gotta clean up the bathroom, I gotta clean up my room, and the kitchen is semi-clean, but we're gonna have to go down there and clean a little bit more. So yeah, let's get to cleaning. So I'm not too much worried about cleaning the vanity today. We're going to tackle that another day. About to take off everything off the sink. So the trash needs to be taken out. Now, what I like to do is I like to start off with my toilet because I like to let the product sit and do its thing. So let's spray the toilet down real quick. Get every inch of the toilet. And I live in a house full of boys, so don't forget to get behind this toilet. And I like to do the same thing with my countertop. Spray it down and let it sit for a little bit. And as that sits, we're going. What's y'all Sunday routine like? What y'all like to do on Sundays? I deep clean. I do my bathroom, me and the kids' rooms. I have to open the door because it's toxic in here. I feel like there's like certain things you need to do once a week. Like your bathroom, you need to deep clean your bathroom once a week. Your sheets, you need to wash them, change them, wash them, whatever. Like it's just certain things you just gotta keep up to keep your house clean. Cause me, I don't like a dirty house, okay? Like, I don't play. Like, I clean up every day, but I don't deep clean every day. Like, there's a difference. If you know, then you know. I'm already sweating. Like, it's hot up in here. You feel me? Let me get my wand. How often do you guys clean your toilet? Like, I clean mine once a week. I feel like that's fair. But I know some people, their OCD is bad, like, worse than mine. But I think once a week is good enough. But yeah, after you let everything soak, you want to get in there and scrub. Please don't have clean your toilet. It's germs. I know it's a lot of people that clean with gloves. I'm not that type of person. Like, I don't clean with gloves. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I just get to it. Now I'm gonna spray it again one more time. You want to clean everything first, and then you want to sweep them up. Like, don't be backwards. Yeah, Pop. When you're wiping your toilet, do not use microfiber towels. Like, just use paper towels. Got my handy dandy Clorox wipes. As I put the stuff back on my counter, sink, whatever you want to call it, I wipe it down with the Clorox wipe.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me. She's
Faster, sweet, and swifter, aka Mop.
too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, down low, maybe.
Now we are, well, not we. I should say I am. I'm about to tackle the boys' bathroom. Like, I washed all the, what is it called? The rugs and stuff that be in the bathroom. I washed that yesterday. Because I be pre-prepping for my Sundays. Like, I'm that type of person. But, I'm also to tackle the boys' bathroom and I'll be back. Now I'm about to do my room real quick. And all I'm about to do is take these sheets off. Make sure you're changing your sheets once a week because it matters. It really do.
In the meantime,
Decide for a while,
it's some me time.
hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
I really can't wait until I organize my room and buy everything that I want to buy to like elevate my room. It's still looking like I just moved here. Like that's what it's giving. But it takes time to get your shit together for real. But yeah, I'm just about to polish my dresser. And I try to do this once a week too. It makes a difference. It's all dusty and stuff. And dirty. Look at that. Dirty.
All my killers don't tell. Shut down my mom cause I knew you off the shelf.
And I want to like decorate up here so bad, but like I said, it takes time. But for now, I just got my little perfumes up here. It gives. I think I want to switch it up.
Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for a while,
get some me time.
hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
And we're gonna do a little vacuum.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Let me tell you something that you still miss. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be alone.
Okay, so we're about to go downstairs and go to the kitchen. And I'm just about to wash these dishes. I like to personally have a trash bag up in here with me because I don't like going back and forth to the trash can.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your act out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is hurting. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. let go away. He was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I leave all my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always always inside. Good living in my mind, hold me on my feet.
Okay, so I'm about to clean off my countertops and my stove real quick. And I'm just using all-purpose cleaner, Clorox. I love Clorox. Just give it a wipe down. It does it every time. If you clean as much as I clean, you need your pack of these. I use this for everything. Not everything, but everything. Sunday dinner. I'm about to make steak, baked potatoes, and shrimp for Sunday dinner. And once I'm done cooking, I'll be back. Okay, so I just got out the shower and put my clothes on. I'll show you guys my outfit when I'm done fully getting ready. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to go bowling. I am in a bowling league. I'm probably not gonna be able to fix my baby hairs, but you're not even gonna be able to see them anyway. I ain't tripping. I go bowling every Sunday, so that's like part of my Sunday routine. That's what I'm about to do. And I know you're probably wondering how that food came out. So I'm gonna insert a video on here on the screen so you can see exactly how the food came out. I made steak, baked potato, regular baked potato, and shrimp. If you're interested in how I actually made it, the recipe and all of that stuff, all you gotta do is just follow my cooking page on TikTok, and it should be uploaded already on there. I'm just about to fix my wig. It got wet while I was in the shower. I am kind of in a rush because we needs to go. I love these fryers. They get hot super fast. Like, I don't gotta wait no time. Like,
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
I love me a good bob. Like, I look like a mom because I am a mom. This is what we are looking like. This is what it's giving. It's giving. It's good, huh? I'm good. Okay. Hold on. So I'm wearing Chanel today. That's what I'm about to smell like. Let me make sure y'all can see me. Okay. So I'm wearing my Marc Jacobs tote bag, and I just have this plain. Oh shit! I just did that. Huh? Whatever. And I just got this plain Nike t-shirt, and I'll have some yoga pants on, but it has like the wide leg at the bottom. And I'm just gonna pair it with my Crocs because I am going bowling, so I'm just about to take my shoes off and I want to be comfortable, so we crocking it today. And I love these pants. They got side pockets on the side, like so cute, super cute, super cute. This is the OOTD for today. This is the end of Vlogmas Day 1, and I will see you guys tomorrow.